baby boy. Where we going? You excited? Yeah? You're such a good boy. Such a good boy. What do we need? What do we need, Rebel? We got the stuff for the rabbit hutch. We got the fencing for y'all's little kidding area. We got the electric so we can set up the new pasture for the boys. So all the boys get to go and clear some land, including you one day when you're big enough. We got some shavings for the chickens. What else we need? What else we need? He's pooped. So I peed all over the store, and I christened it with my cuteness, and now they're good. Oh, there's a tired baby. Good trip. Good trip.